Hi everyone, welcome to Wig Studio One. My name is Christy. I'm Wigging with Christy on Instagram and on YouTube, and I'm a reviewer here for the Wig Studio One team. Now today I'm bringing you a review of a piece called Henry Margu Tara wig in the color 10613 GR. I just want to thank Wig Studio One for providing me with the wig for the content, but this is my own thoughts and opinions. Down below in the description box, if you click view more, you can see the description, you can see links to Tara and links to connect with us at Wig Studio One. Now for Tara, she is a beautiful bob. Now you could be saying, Christy, there's lots of bobs out there. What's special about this one? I will tell you, this won me over. This is going to be a bob that I'm going to recommend to many of you. Why is that? Tara is right at my chin. She's a 7.5 length in the front and 8 on the sides. I will give her full measurements when I do a spin and we take a look at her outside. We'll show the measurements. However, Tara has no permatease. She has low density, no permatease, very natural. Very, very natural. She's getting stuck there. Beautiful. I mean, just goes behind the ears so nicely, tucks in, has an extended lace front, but it also has a full monofilament top. You know, when I think of some of the other bobs out there, sometimes they have a left monofilament part, or maybe just a lace front, or they might have permatease. This one has no permatease, low density, full monofilament top, and an extended lace front. So that means you can part this any direction that you want. If you want that over to the right, if you want it down the middle. Look at how like this could easily go down the middle for those of you that want a sleek middle look part. Now I have it over here on the left just for the purposes of this video. And this wig did come parted on the left and crisscrossed in the packaging. So I just want to state that this wig, at least in my box, came crisscrossed. Beautiful piece. It lays perfectly. It does have a little layers in the back, it says, to give kind of that full finish look. I love this piece. It kind of reminds me a lot of the Jon Renau Allison. Do you guys remember Jon Renau Allison? It's been discontinued. One of my most favorite bobs. I think this might be a little shorter than Allison. I'd have to look at the measurements, but very close to Allison's measurements. And I was just talking with a client recently because Allison is lightweight, low density, like really, really nice. And this reminds me of Allison by Jon Renau. So if you like a low density bob, this is the one for you. If you don't like permatease, this is the one for you. This one is sized at a petite average on the tag, which I thought it was interesting. So I was a little nervous because I'm about 22-inch head right now, 21.75 to 22-inch head. Typically, Henry Margu fits me really well and never too big. I never have to make any adjustments really. I haven't made adjustments on this one, but I can tell it feels tighter. And when I didn't have my wig grip on, it was like slipping. So I definitely would say I would probably need to make a slight adjustment on this wig if I was to wear it during the day. Not for the content of video, you know, of filming right now, I don't have to. But if I were to wear this all day, I'd probably want to make some adjustments. That way I wouldn't get a pressure headache. So I would say if you're at a 22-inch, you can definitely wear this. And there is still room for me to let go. I would say no bigger than a 22.5. And I might actually say 22.25. Because we don't want to get into this measurement being too small. So 10613GR is described as a highlighted blend of ash and platinum blondes and chocolate roots. Let's take a look at this cap construction. Temple to temple, lace front, full monofilament top, velvet felt ear tabs, velvet felt nape with the Velcro adjusters. You can wear sunglasses over the ear tabs or under the ear tabs, but because of the low density, can easily go over. What is your thoughts on Tara? Isn't she beautiful? Beautiful wig. I love this color. 10613GR is one of my most favorite colors with Henry Margu. It's beautifully done. This color is comparable to John Renault Palm Springs Blonde as well. It's a beautiful color that has some cool and a little bit of ashy tones and some neutral in there as well. But it's definitely a cooler color and an ashier blonde. We'd love to hear from you down below. Leave us a comment and we'd love to connect with you. Have a great day. Bye.